Hey guys, welcome back to another van video. It's been a while, sorry about that. I actually did another build 2 months ago and I'll be posting that up pretty soon. But as of right now, I just really want to get back up to date. This is another Chevy City Express. I actually did this 2 builds ago and I'm so happy I went with this build. I'm super excited to kind of show you what I did in this. The theme I went with this is actually a Route 66 theme, just like I did 2 builds ago. So this is Route 66 theme number 2. Let's go ahead and start off with the window panels, or kind of like just the window coverings. This is a Route 66 theme covering. As you can see, you kind of just have Texas, Los Angeles, and Chicago, and all those cool places. And then with that, I actually went with a red marine interior, and that's kind of to go with the that old red diner theme that you'd actually see on Route 66 back in the 50s, and I just thought that was really cool. So that's the red interior I went with. Also what we have out here is actually the table. It kind of just pops out like that. And the panels I used is, again, a marine interior. And the reason why I go with marine interiors is just because they're super sturdy interiors, which, for a camper van, you just got to go with really sturdy stuff. And that's kind of why I went with that. And you just kind of snap it back, and you're good to go. Over here, again, another window covering. These actually pop right off. They're just Velcroed on. I went with a cool design over here with the panel, and I decided to go with the same material, like these stripes. I went with the same material as the cabinetry on the inside. And the reason why I actually went with the cabinetry that I went with is because this is super scratch resistant, and again, super important when talking about camping or just living in a vehicle full time. And that's actually the reason why I went with the curtains I went with, because those are waterproof curtains, but I'll get to those in a moment. As of right now, I do want to show you the cabinets. So for the cabinet area, there's 2 ways to enter in. One would be through the side. You could use this to kind of hang up hangers and different things like that for clothes or whatever you need for. And then you have a whole storage area up here. And then you can also access from right here for your. And so on this side, we have the lighting, the faucet, and the stove. For the lighting, I went with adjustable lighting, as I usually go with, just because, I don't know, to me that's a pretty big deal. So you can adjust right here. And it comes with a remote as well, so you can adjust the settings and all that good stuff. Of course, you have the sink. And this is the shower as well. This is a door right here. This pops out to become a shower. My last build, I actually put the window panel on the outside of this panel, but this time I actually placed it inside the window itself. I just thought it would be kind of a cool look, and I actually do like the way it looks, so I'm gonna do that next time as well. The stove right here, this is just a portable stove that I used to use when I used to live in a van, and I really liked it, so this is going to go along with this one. And again, the interior came out really nicely. I just love the red look. This is the most boldest look I've ever gone with when it comes to the vans I've done, and I'm just super happy with it. It's kind of giving me confidence to go with the bold blue, or maybe baby blue, for the next build that I do. So I guess we can go over to the curtains area. So these curtains are actually for outside furniture. So I went with these specifically, again, just because they're super sturdy. If they get nasty, dirty, you just don't have to worry, just because they're made of material where they're easily cleanable. So no worries there at all. And of course it zippers, so you can kind of get between the cab and the main area. And then these snap right back on. So my favorite modification about this build by far is the bed extender. This bed extender extends an extra foot for your feet or for your head for sleeping. So now this bed, the bed length comes out at 78 inches, which is 2 inches less than a king size bed. Which next time, who knows, I might end up trying to do an 80-inch bed. But as of right now, this will work really well. And then this pops back down, and there's a whole storage area behind this, which I love. I love the storage area. Really good for miscellaneous things. The main reason why the bed extender was necessary is because whoever buys this van, if they're 6'1" or 3" or whatever, they need to be able to put the seat fully backwards at all times. So like if they're gonna do like a long route or camping or whatever, they need to be able to extend for their legs. So that's the reason why this is the reason why this flip up thing is so important. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this side. And of course, in a van conversion build, you have to have the microwave. I've had that in all my builds, and of course, that's why we have this guy. Already plugged in, strapped down, and all that good stuff. And behind that, we have the toilet, of course. In this build, I actually made the bed in width a lot wider than my last couple, so that way the toilet can actually fit behind the microwave itself. So now we have this whole storage area right here for for big bags or whatever. I was kind of thinking, like, if the new owner, whoever buys this thing, if they ever decide to sleep with just the bench, how easy would it be to just like kind of cook some popcorn or something like that really quick? I thought that would be kind of cool. But yeah, so that's the setup right here. Let me go ahead and show you the fridge. Fridge latch is right here, and this pulls straight out. The hinges I have on this are for 450 pounds. So 450 pounds, I mean, this thing is sturdy. So we have the fridge slash freezer, however you want to use it. You can use it either or. And then right here, I actually added this whole storage space in front of the fridge that goes out with it. For me, I thought the new owner, whoever buys this thing, would love just to have a place for their pots, pans, spices, and all that good stuff. And then we lock. And of course, we cannot forget the TV. The TV, I went with a Vizio 22 or 24-inch TV. I love this TV. It's already set up for all the applications you could want, and it just kind of fits really well with the build. In 2 builds ago, I went with a 20-inch TV, I think, and this one, again, is a couple inches bigger, and I just really like how it comes out. And you can, of course, use it going this way, or you can use it, on the inside of, like, if you want to watch TV before you go to sleep. For me, I love it going this way. Alright guys, last but not least, of course we have the bed. So for the bed, we simply go in here, pull, bring this all the way back as much as you can, and let's bring it out. It slides over here. Oh, one thing I forgot to do is shut the door. Everything is super tight. As tight as I could possibly fit it in. And of course, you gotta have the pillows Route 66 pillows, same as the window. And you are good to go.